Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to unlock the BO6 ranked competitor skin, and you can find the skin under challenges and rewards, win challenges, and right here, BO6 ranked competitor. Now in order to unlock this skin, you do need to win 10 career ranked play matches. So what this means is basically just win 10 games. It doesn't have to be like, in a row or anything, just need to have a total of 10 wins. And I believe when ranked Warzone comes in as well, this will also count towards that as well. So if you get 10 wins in Warzone, or I believe whatever it is, top 3, that counts as a win, you will get it. And yeah, it should most likely be easier in multiplayer though. So if you're trying to go for the skin, I recommend doing it in multiplayer. But if you want to go for like the colored skin, you could say, I guess, so the gold, plat, diamond, that does not look like plat, but anyways, if you want to go like, for the colored skin, you have to reach a rank of gold. So you have to, for gold, you have to have like your highest rank in the season has to be gold, for plat, for crimson, etc. and further, more. But anyways, in order to, like I said, basically unlock this, you can only get it at the end of the season, and you have to, your highest rank has to be that rank. So your highest rank has to be Crimson in order to unlock Crimson. And I'm pretty sure if you are Crimson, let's just say your first season, your highest rank, and you end off, you will not get Diamond, Plat, or Gold. So if you want to actually go for those, you have to cap out at Gold, Plat, or Diamond. And yeah, that should basically be it. That is how to unlock all the rank play skins. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.